Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Price, and today I'm going to be walking you through our city price breakdown. And you can find this pop up under our analysis results page. So after you've already gone and done a search, you can see right now we're in Navajo County, Arizona, and you want to pick an acreage range to further price. And so let's say I'm looking at Navajo County, Arizona, 20 to 24.99, and then you can see that our county level offer price right now is 94.25. But I want to go in and pick the different cities in there and price at a city level. All I need to do is make sure this is checked. So if it's unchecked, check it, and then go up to the city pricing. And once this pop-up comes up, you want to make sure that, again, from the top down, you see target location, Navajo County, Arizona, 2024.99. And then we provide you with the county level offer prices again, just so you have reference. So again, the base offer price at the county level is going to be 94.25, and the base market price per acre is going to be 376.99. And then just below it, you have our data table here with all the city data in it. So you can see the left column is city, and then we have the market price per acre at the city level, the offer price per acre at the city level, and then the z-score. So again, the city is just going to be listing all the cities within that county that you've selected, and then the market prices per acre of each city, the offer price per acre of each city, and then the z-score is actually an analytical tool that we use so you can visually see which prices are greater or which prices are lower than the county level pricing. So all you really need to know is a positive value is going to be greater and a negative value is going to be less. And the more negative or positive, the greater or less it's going to be. And so this is what you can do. You could flip through the pages, and if you want to check more into it, you can select one of the rows. So let's say I'm looking at Arapine here, and I can see that I have this as the pricing. And if I want to change the pricing, all I need to do is come up to this input box up here, make sure you're at Arapine, and I can change this to whatever I want. So if you think it should be greater, I can come up here, go to 85.45, let's say, and I can click update. And when that happens, you can see this offer price has now changed. So I can do this for each city in particular, go through them, price exactly how I want to price it based off the market price that we have at the county level. And again, you can always look at this chart too to see the visual across all the cities around this county and see which cities are greater and which ones are lower priced as well. So you can see that we'll always have the county level pricing up top here, and then as we go around here, you can see all the different cities. So again, you have the Woodruff, Winslow, and as we go around, you can see everything here. So if I want to switch back the table, just hit the table. And again, if you're wondering where I'm going to find this pricing if I want to change it, again, if you exit out of this, we still have the for sale and sold comps button here for you to view. So this is where we're actually looking and taking all that data from. So again, if I go and if I wanted to price how I'm doing right now, low to high in actual price of the comps, I can do that. You can see Holbrook's looks like it's clustered near the bottom, and I could always look and price accordingly to that and make sure that I have something that I want to use and is of value to me. So I can go through that, come back, go back into the city pricing, make sure everything's okay, and look at this. So okay, I can see that Holbrook was near the bottom, and that makes sense now because you can see that the z-score is fairly low. It's negative, which means that the price is going to be less than the actual county level price. And if I did find a city that I don't see in this list, but you wanted to add it, all you need to do is come up to this add button right here, and then you type in the city that you want to see. So if you want to say city, I'm just going to do a test and then put in the actual offer price, let's say 432. You can put that in there, and if that's a city you wanted to add, all you need to do is click add, and it'll actually be populated in this data table here. So for this example, I'm not going to do that, but that's exactly what you would do, and it would come through here. And so once you're done, make sure that you have all the pricing that you want, and it's very important that you come up here and save. If you exit out, the pricing won't save if you've customized it, so make sure you're saving this. And once you've saved it, you should see a little green text that says city pricing successfully updated. And then another very important part of this is that you need to select apply city pricing, this button right here, this box. And if you don't, again, it will not apply the city pricing. So this is imperative that you do that. But once you've selected it, now you've selected it for everything that you're choosing, you have this checked off, and you're ready to continue. So please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.